Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator, a sleek and stylish cruiser that brings modern performance with a classic, laid-back riding experience. Whether you're a beginner looking for a comfortable first bike or an experienced rider who wants a fun, lightweight cruiser, the Eliminator has a lot to offer. Stick around as we go over the design, performance, features, and price of the 2025 model. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's dive in. Let's start with the engine. The 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator is powered by a 451cc parallel twin engine, the same engine found in the Ninja 500, but tuned for a cruiser-style ride. It delivers approximately 45 horsepower and 31 pound-feet of torque, which is a solid balance between power and control, making it great for city riding, highway cruising, and even longer weekend trips. The engine is liquid-cooled and fuel-injected, ensuring smooth performance in all kinds of riding conditions. One of the best things about this engine is its power delivery. Unlike some smaller cruisers that feel underpowered, the Eliminator has strong low-end torque while still being able to hit higher speeds comfortably. The 6-speed transmission helps keep the engine in the right power band, whether you're accelerating from a stoplight or cruising on the freeway. And with its lightweight chassis, the bike feels responsive and easy to handle. Speaking of handling, let's talk about the chassis and suspension. The 2025 Eliminator is designed to be lightweight and beginner-friendly while still offering a fun ride for experienced riders. It has a trellis-style frame, which keeps the bike stable and easy to maneuver. The front suspension features 41mm telescopic forks, while the rear has dual shocks with adjustable preload, giving you a smooth and controlled ride. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or open highways, this bike feels comfortable and confidence-inspiring. The riding position is one of the standout features of the Eliminator. Kawasaki designed it with a relaxed, upright seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a low seat height of 28.9 inches, making it comfortable for riders of all sizes. The handlebars are positioned for a natural grip, reducing strain on your wrists and back, which is great for longer rides. Plus, the narrow frame design makes it easy to flat-foot at stoplights, which is a huge plus for new riders. Now let's talk about the styling. The 2025 Eliminator keeps its classic cruiser look with modern touches. It has a sleek fuel tank, minimal bodywork, and a round LED headlight, giving it a mix of retro and modern aesthetics. The blacked-out engine and exhaust add to its aggressive look, while different color options allow you to choose a style that suits your personality. Kawasaki has always been great at blending performance with great design, and the Eliminator is no exception. Technology-wise, the 2025 model comes with a full digital LCD display, showing all the essential information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. Some models even come with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to pair your phone via Bluetooth to check notifications, ride stats, and navigation details. The LED lighting on the headlight, taillight, and turn signals also improves visibility while adding a modern touch. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency. The Eliminator's 3.7-gallon, 14-liter fuel tank gives it a solid range, and with its efficient engine, you can expect to get around 55 to 60 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. That makes it a great choice for riders who want a fuel-efficient bike for daily commuting and weekend cruising. Braking is another important factor, and Kawasaki has equipped the 2025 Eliminator with a 310mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc, offering plenty of stopping power. The bike also comes with ABS as standard on most models, ensuring better control in sudden braking situations or wet conditions. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator starts at around $6,999 for the standard model, making it one of the best value cruisers in its class. If you want extra features like Kawasaki's smartphone connectivity and special styling options, the SE model costs around $7,499. Given its performance, features, and comfort, the Eliminator is a fantastic deal for anyone looking for a stylish and practical cruiser. So, who is this bike for? If you're a beginner looking for a comfortable and confidence-inspiring ride, the Eliminator is a great choice. Its low seat height, lightweight frame, and smooth power make it easy to handle. If you're an experienced rider looking for a fun, affordable cruiser, this bike still delivers plenty of excitement with its sporty engine and comfortable ergonomics. Whether you're riding in the city, taking weekend trips, or just cruising for fun, the Eliminator is built to handle it all. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator. What do you think of this bike? Would you choose it over other cruisers like the Honda Rebel 500 or Yamaha Bolt? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.